Dental operations require the doctor to act very clearly and precisely. Therefore, in order for the young doctor to gain practical experience, training on 3D printed models is being more and more widely applied. This allows doctors who do not have extensive experience to practice the stages of working on soft tissues, as well as to learn how to correctly perform incisions so that the surgery is correct and safe for the patient. Besides its didactic function, the soft gingival material can be used to make models for screw fixation or crowns for dental implants. HARS Labs Dental Pink Soft Resin is a gum-colored elastic material that perfectly suits all of these applications. It's suitable for use on 3D printers of most leading manufacturers and has been well accepted among professionals around the world. It meets all the requirements for the printing of models, has passed all tests according to ISO 10993 for the first class, and has registration in Russian Federation. HARS Labs, your imagination, our materials.